Welcome back students. We are dealing GST, Goods and Services Tax for class 10 ICSE in the revised syllabus for 2020 as well. We have this GST. Previously in my previous session I have discussed about GST basics. Kindly refer to that video. And you can see here one question which is given. So we'll start solving the questions based on GST. Okay. A customer buys a table marked rupees 4,000 at a discount of 20% on marked price. Calculate the discount price customer has to pay for the purchase. Okay, that's the question. So now, first things first, you have to understand that we know the terminology called cost price, marked price or list price and selling price and all, profit, loss, yes or no. So these are the same terminologies which you have learnt previously in last years. Okay, same sense we will be using them. So here the table is marked with how much? Rupees 4,000, correct? So MP is equals to rupees 4,000. That's what is given. And he has given a discount percent, how much? 20%. So because it's in percentage, I am mentioning it as discount percent, which is 20%, which means the original MP, that's marked price, is reduced and given to the customer, correct? So discount amount, what will be the discount amount? Take the percentage, 20% of 4,000, isn't it? It's 20% of MP, correct? So it will become how much? I'll just cancel whatever is possible. Two zeros cancel, and you can write this as 800. So the discount amount is how much? Rupees 8,000. Okay. Now the customer should have bought this one for how much price? So therefore customer bought it for plus 2. 4,000 minus 800, which will be 3,200. This is a very fundamental question, although you might not expect this kind of question in your final exams. This is like a basic for the questions yet to come. Okay, so whenever you're given a marked price and there's a discount to you, you need to reduce that 20% which is applied on MP, and you have to reduce that amount to this one, and then further if you have anything to do further in the question, you will be proceeding with it. Okay, the very first question which says a customer buys table marked with 4,000, discount 20% on marked price, calculate the discount price customer has to pay. So please don't confuse with this word called discount price customer has to pay. You can understand, even though it is discounted, how much is the customer is going to pay for this table. That's what he is expecting, or not only the discount amount. Okay, so the customer bought it for how much? 4,000 minus the discount amount, which is 800. So overall he paid 3,200 for this table. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's just continue with the second question, which says a dealer in Agra, UP, say Ramesh, supplies products and services worth rupees 10,000 to Suresh, a person who is in Lucknow. Okay, if the rate of GST is 28%, find the SGST. So SGST stands for state GST. Okay, let's dig into the question now. The first thing he is talking about is there's a product or service worth how much? 10,000 rupees. So MP, marked price of that, or list price, you can say it is how much? 10,000 rupees. Okay, and the GST is given as 28%, but same state, correct? We both belong to same state. It's nothing but intra-state. If it's intra-state, immediately we have to write CGST is 14% and SGST. As soon as you look into the question that it is from Agra UP to Lucknow UP, which means it is same state, that means you have to consider it as intra-state. Nowhere it is mentioned. The word intra-state is not mentioned in the question. You have to analyze by looking at the question. Either suppose if he is giving you intra-state, then you can write it as CGST, SGST, which is 14% each. This 28% should be divided into two equal half percentages, that is 14% and 14% each of CGST, SGST. Now our question is on SGST. Although it states only about SGST, kindly try to write all the three, mention all the three possible GSTs which are available, so that it's a good practice for you and you won't be confused in the examination. Okay, now I want only SGST, of course, but still I would prefer to write all the three by mentioning the percentages first, because IGST will not apply, make it 0, and the remaining will be 14 each, because 28% is given. Okay, so let's finish this question. Now you want SGST, right? SGST is how much? 14% of the 10,000, that is MP. Okay, let's just cancel it out. 2 zeros and 2 zeros cancel, it will become 1400. So rupees 1400 is the SGST. Also please mention CGST will be how much? Rupees 1400 only, because same thing, same calculation anyways. And IGST will be 0, rupees 0. Okay, try to write all the three so that it will be a good practice for you. Thank you.